Hello everyone. If you want to change your mouse cursor size and color, you can learn it from this video. So don't skip the video and subscribe my channel to get new video. Okay, let's go. At first, click on your Windows button from your keyboard. Then right here, mouse color. Okay, you can see here I write mouse color, then press on enter button. Then you can see like this interface. You can change from here your pointer or cursor size. If you decrease this, your cursor size will be smaller, but if you increase this size, your cursor size will be big size. Okay, I take it like this. Okay, you can change your cursor color from here. If you click on blue or purple color, you can see here my cursor color get this, and you can change your color. If you want to change your color from custom, click here. Okay, this way you can change your mouse cursor size and color. Thanks for watching.